Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Are you ready for today's lesson? Today we are going to learn vowel consonant blending for short vowel a. So let's get started. A, b, ab, a, k, ak, a, d, ad, a, f, af, a, g, ag, a, j, aj, a, k, ak, a, a, an, a, p, up, a, s, as, a, t, at, a, v, of, a, x, ax, a, z, az. If you like this video, share it with other friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.